Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download a font and how to install it. Okay, so without much further ado, let's get started. So first off, what you're going to do is go to Google and search for the name of the font. Okay, so the name of the font we're going to download and install now is Montserrat. Montserrat, Montserrat, Montserrat. Then you add font download to it. Font download and hit enter. So the moment you search for it, Google is going to provide you with links to the download files. So you choose Google Fonts. If you get Google Fonts, always choose Google Fonts and click on that. So there you have it. After clicking on it, it takes you to this space. So over here you can download your font. So these are samples of the fonts we are here to download. So this is how it looks. So at the top right corner you see get font. Okay, you can click on the get font, then it will be added to the list of fonts that you are yet to download. So I've clicked on Playfair Display and Cinzel as the font I want to download. If I want to take some out, I can just, it's like a cart if you are shopping. So I have added Montserrat to my cart. So after that I can come to download or to download the font I have added to my cart. Yeah, so after downloading, you go to the file explorer and you find a zip file with the name of the font. Right click on it, go to WinRAR and extract to Montserrat folder. Okay, so when you extract, you get a folder here. Open it up and you find a folder called static. Don't install the font here, but you find a folder called static. So open that folder, then you have all the fonts you are supposed to install here. So you can select or by clicking and dragging over all of them, or you can click Ctrl+A to select all, then right click on any one of them and click install. I already have it, that is why it is saying the Montserrat Light Italic font is already installed. Do you want to replace it? So I'm not going to replace it, I'm going to skip all. So for you that you don't have, you are going to install all the 18 out of 18. Good. That is how to download and install a font. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to identify a font that you have found on the internet. So stay tuned.